In case you haven't noticed, I'm completely obsessed with smoothies. It's one of the easiest ways to get your nutrients all together in one place. I'm Thelma and this is my kitchen. So in my blender, I'll add some milk. I'll add some of my clementine. Some carrots. A tablespoon of oats. And a teaspoon of honey. And just pour that into your jar. And your smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy and on-the-go recipes. See you in my next video.